How to make money with YouTube Shorts and affiliate marketing in 2021 with the easiest way possible. Let's get into it right now. Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you that how you can make a decent amount of money with YouTube Shorts and affiliate marketing in the combination of each other. It's super easy. It's going to be a quick tutorial showing you everything from A to Z in the easiest way. But before I dive into the tutorial, guys, I would like you to subscribe to my channel if you still haven't done that yet, because I've noticed that over 95% of my viewers haven't subscribed to my channel, which is not really good for me. So if it's something you still haven't done, I much appreciate it if you do that, guys. It's gonna take a second. And also, if you like this video, at the end of it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So without any further ado, let's get into the tutorial right now. So guys, it's super easy. If you go to YouTube and search for a hashtag shorts, you're gonna see that there are so many videos, like 23 million videos, 2.7 million channels. So it means that there are 23 million videos that are using YouTube Shorts. It's crazy, guys. You're gonna get so many views by using YouTube Shorts, guys, and you're gonna make a lot of money. So you cannot monetize YouTube Shorts like the Shorts videos. It's not monetizable, but what you can do, you can add your affiliate link in the description, so you can drive that traffic to your affiliate link instead of making money by monetization. So this is a very great way to do that. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's super easy. This tutorial is not going to take that long. But before that, I want to show you how to choose an affiliate product. So for this tutorial, I want to actually give you an example for dog trainings, for example, that how we can find this affiliate program, how we can promote it, and how we can start putting out these videos on your channel as a short video. So the platform that you use to actually find this product is called clickbank.com. You probably know what it is, guys. It's totally self-explanatory. So go to marketplace, and here we're gonna search for dog or dog training, and then in this section we actually sort it out by rank or sales or gravity, something that actually gives us a really good profit margin. So for this one, for example, brain training for dogs, the gravity is 118, which is really good. It should be above 40 because it means that more than 118 people have made money promoting this product. So I'm going to check out what the sales page looks like. So this is the sales page for this particular course or program, whatever it is, for dog training. And then this is their affiliate page where I can get all my resources in order to start promoting this particular course. So feel free to just check it out yourself, guys. They're gonna show you how to join their affiliate program. This is a link, and about this program, the resources they get you, all this kind of stuff, the banners, but we're not going to use any of them right now. So what we're going to do, guys, is just need to so we choose this program. It's $31 per sale. So for each sale we are going to receive $31 on average. There are upsells and downsells, but this is the average commission we get per sale, so which is a really good thing. But there are also other courses regarding dog training with a good gravity, 37. You get $85 per sale, which is really nice. But even for this one, if you just sell 2 to 3 per day, it's almost $100 a day, which is a really nice conversion. So I'm going to click on promote, and then I'm going to click on generate hop links. This is going to be my affiliate link right here. So I'm going to copy this, I'm going to save it, but I'm going to actually go over to this website right here. I paste my link to shorten my link because that looks really ugly, and then I shorten my link like this. So this is my shortened link, and I'm gonna go to this website to make sure everything is fine. Yes, my affiliate link is a right one. So this is a sales page. This is what it looks like. I personally liked it. I've checked it out before. They have a really nice headline. As I said, guys, in my previous videos, if you want to choose a product, you need to check out their sales page, whether they have a good headline, a big and bold headline, or a sales video. It's very important to have at least one of them. So we have the headline, like a big and bold headline right here. As you scroll down, you see so many text, so many images, so many videos. and again, so many features that, you know, which is gonna really compelling for your visitors to take action. And module 1, module 2, module 3, this is a really good that they broken down the modules that what people will actually get after purchasing this product. So this is a really high converting sales page. I personally like it. So after that, the only thing you need to do is just going back to YouTube, guys, and then search for something like funny docs or something like this. We can go for funny docs, and then here we are able to download one of these videos with like no copyright issues and start promoting our product. But before doing that, you need to make sure that you're actually coming to filter section and then change it to Creative Commons. If you don't do it and you start downloading these videos right here, you probably get, definitely get some copyright issues, and it's not going to be so funny because your account is going to shut down. It's going to get shut down. So come to this section, Creative Commons. These are the videos that you're actually allowed to download and start using them for your own channel. So just go to this video and check it out to see whether you like it or not. So this is a funny dog doing some funny tricks or something like this, and the length of this video is only 4 to 5 minutes. So this is really cool, but at the end we're gonna actually create such a video exactly like this that is fitting on mobile screen. So it's gonna actually increase the conversion rate. It's crazy. I'm gonna go for probably this one, or let's check out the other ones as well. This one is not bad too. We can download this video and we can cut it into different parts and we can use them for different videos. I hope that makes sense, because for shorts you cannot go above a minute or 15 seconds to 1 minute. So this video is 5 minutes, so it means that we have 5 videos just from one video. I hope that makes sense. So it's really cool. So for this video, for example, let's go for, these are just a combination of funny videos, but if you want to make sure that you can download them, you make sure to actually click on show more, check out the description, scroll down, and then you see Creative Commons attribution license right here. So it means that you are allowed to download this video for yourself. Okay, so after this you just need to so let's say we're gonna go for this one right here. Don't forget to copy the link and go to this website right here. Okay, so y2make.com. So this is a website that we can download any YouTube video with no problem and with high quality, and it could be either video, audio, or the combination of both of them. You just need to paste the link here and start downloading this video. Okay, so I've just downloaded the video the way I showed you. So whatever video you want, as I said, doesn't matter as long as it's on Creative Commons category. Otherwise, it's gonna get you in trouble. So you don't want that to happen. So after that, once you downloaded the video, guys, you just need to edit that video and add not adding anything. Yeah, you need to add some text on the video and direct people to the description of the video. So kind of get them to click on your affiliate link. So this is what we want to do, but we're not going to use any software, guys. All we want to do is just going to Canva, and we start using our video. So this is what you want to do, guys. Just click on create design, but you don't even have to do that. You need to click on the create design, and then here search for mobile video for shorts. So this is going to be super cool. So it's going to give you the proper size for mobile video. And then the only thing you need to do is just drag your video and drop it right here. So I probably can do it right now. Y2make, cute puppies. And then I actually copy it right here. And in this section, as you can see, we need to kind of fit it to the correct size of this one. So it's probably 5 seconds, but as I said, we can split it to it's more than 5 seconds for 5 minutes. This is almost 4 to 5 minutes, and we need to kind of split it to 1 minute. So I'm going to show you how to do it properly. So meanwhile it's uploading the video, guys, I wanted to show you a cool trick before choosing an affiliate product. So let's say that you already chosen this product right here and you want to see whether it's really worth it to spend time and energy for that. So the only thing you need to do, guys, you just need to go to their website and actually copy the link. So you need to copy the link and then go to this website called similarweb.com. So you just need to literally paste your link in this section, and it's going to give you every information about this website, how much traffic they get, what is the volume of that. See, it's crazy, guys. As you can see, total visits 96,000 people per month. It's massive. So just assume that thousands of people are promoting that. So even if you, because 96,000 is a lot. So let's say that what countries they are coming from. United States, 33% of the traffic is coming from United States. The rest from Brazil, India, Canada, Algeria, all these countries are, almost, they are top tier countries, except these three ones. So United States and Canada are tier 1 countries, but 33% of 96,000 people, you still get, a lot of authority. So that's why I'm saying promoting this product is kind of easier, because we are getting decent number of traffic. So we are getting decent number of visitors. So it's very important to use this website to actually do some sort of research on the website or the product that you want to promote, and then it's going to make everything so much easier for you. So let's get back to this one. See that it's not still ready, but I think I can kind of do something right here. We can kind of fit it exactly to the screen. See, this is what we can do. And then, there are actually a couple of options right here that we can add different pages, and then you can split it to different pages if you want to kind of shorten it out. See, the time is 4 minutes and 50 seconds. But all we want to do, we just want to actually use the first 1 minute or whatever a minute that you want. So it can be probably from here, probably from here to here, 1 minute. Or it's 22 seconds. Probably we can do it for a minute, or let's say 40 seconds. Okay, so that's good. 35.7 seconds. After that, the only thing you need to do is just go to text right here, and we can add a text right here. Okay. Click on the link. So let me just click on the link in the description to learn how to train your dogs. And then you change the color to white, and you just leave it somewhere on the video to be kind of visible. You can do it right here. And or if you want to make it even more prominent, you can add an element. You can add a square right here, or rectangle, I would say, and you can put it exactly right here. Position backward, but you don't want to make the video like crazy. You don't want it to make it so crowded, right? So you want to have some sort of, okay, this is cool. Click on the link in the description to learn how to train your dogs. Super easy. And then you go to elements. You can add some sort of arrow. You can search for arrow, and then you can add this one. Probably you rotate it a little bit, you make it smaller, and then you put it right here. Let's see how it works, how it looks like. Probably this one, or you can make it yellow. Yeah, this is better, and you can just keep it. And after that, you see that you can actually play it. See, the text is going to be here. It's not in the middle of the video. They can easily watch the video with no problem, guys. And the link is going to be here. And they go to the description. So if you keep doing it over and over, you get so many visitors. You get so much traffic. And the more traffic you have, the more sales you get. So probably let's say that 2 or 3 per day, which is totally realistic, $100 a day. Boom, done. So this is how it's done. Click on download with a high quality MP4 video, and then after that, just wait for it to get downloaded, and then I'm going to show you how to do it. Super easy. Okay, so the video is up and ready. As you can see, it's totally ready. I downloaded it, and then after that, you need to just upload it on YouTube. So I'm going to do it right now. I'm not going to actually upload it on my YouTube channel, but I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is your channel after you signed in. Click on create, upload video, and then you see this page right here. So after that, you have your link you have your file here, go back here, and then easily drag it and drop it exactly right here. Boom, done. So this is going to be short. So for the description, I'm going to remove everything here, and for this one, we can say that best moments for a funny dog. Best moments for a funny dog. Something like this, you know, it doesn't really matter, but you need to have a really good copywriting. So you need to insert important keywords to get more visitors. Best moments for funny dog, like a funny dog doing funny things, something like this. Some kind of attracting must watch. Best moments of a funny dog. Something like this. Okay, best moments of a funny dog, must watch, something like this. And then in the description, you can say that secrets revealed. Get access to the best dog training course in the market here and learn how to train your dog properly. See, very easy. And then we just need to copy this link right here. This is our affiliate link. If you remember, we shortened it at the beginning of the video, and then we go back here, we paste our link here. Done. This is how you do that. 36 seconds. We have our video here, we have our call to action here. As you can see, the link is here, like the text is here, the arrow is here. So actually we are drawing their attention to this text, so we get them to click on the link. So this is how it's done. Super easy, guys. As I said, it's very easy. The only thing you need to do is just keep doing it. So how long is this video right now? 14-15 minutes, 20 minutes, and I'm also talking. So let's say that you can do it 10 minutes in 10 minutes, and you do it just, you know, a couple of times a day. So if you spend 30 minutes, you can probably upload 3 videos, and you just need to keep doing it to get that traffic, and then drive people to your description with your affiliate link, and then have try to have a catchy headline or title, and that's it. It's super easy, guys, and nothing special is going on. This is how the process works for free. I haven't invested anything. The traffic is already there. I'm using YouTube, and then after that, don't forget to add hashtag shorts too. So if you don't put hashtag shorts, it's not going to go to the shorts. So you need to do that. Otherwise, it's just going to be a regular video. So we want to put it on shorts. Hashtag shorts, and then hit done. Click on next, and then upload the video. That's how it's done. Okay, so I'm not going to proceed forward with this video because I'm not going to actually upload it on my channel, but this is how the process works, and as I said, consistency is going to give you the results. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It's going to help me more than you think, and it's going to actually motivate me for the next videos. And if you have any question regarding this process, guys, don't hesitate to ask your questions and drop your comment below this video. And by the way, if you want to grab my 6-Figure Kingdom Mastery ebook that I've recently written, don't hesitate to grab my ebook, guys. The link is exactly below in the description. It's a 300-page affiliate marketing book with a step-by-step tutorial, guys, and it took me a long time. So if you want to check it out to see what it is, don't hesitate to do it by clicking on the link below in the description. I'll be more than happy if you support me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.